Hi, what's up?
I'm good. How are you, Chandni?
I'm good.
I'm here to ask you 73 questions. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
So, what time did you wake up today?
8.
And what is the first thing that you did after waking up?
I did yoga. That's what I do normally.
So, where are you from, Chandni?
I'm from Dehradun.
And what do you do professionally?
I'm a model and I do photography as well. And now I teach yoga.
Is it tough to be a model?
Of course it's tough. It's not a joke. You don't just get up one day and be like, oh, I'm on a model.
If you had to describe yourself in one word, what would that be?
Cool.
So, there is this myth generally that models usually don't eat a lot.
But that's not for me. If you're not a foodie, you can't be my friend.
Do you cook also?
I like cooking. I make a few simple things at home.
So, are you going to make something for me today?
Yes, of course. I'll make hummus for you.
I'm going to ask you to do something. Would you do it for us? Since you're a model.
Depends. What is it that you want me to do?
I want you to model the hummus that you've made.
Ah!
And action.
The goodness of tasty hummus. Delicious.
Do models starve themselves?
I haven't yet.
And do you think there are a lot of drugs involved
In what?
in modeling?
Depends.
Mountains or beach?
Both.
Bombay or Delhi?
Bombay.
Ranveer or Ranbir?
The Kapoor.
Favorite cuisine?
Asian.
Momos or vada pav?
Momos.
Do you like to travel?
I live to travel.
And what is the last place that you visited?
I went to Manali 1 month ago.
How old are you, Chandni?
I'm 25.
And in reality?
I'm 29.
So no plans of getting married anytime soon?
None yet, but you'll be the first to know, PK.
Thank you, Chandni. What do you like best about Bombay?
The sea, of course.
Anything else?
I like the people here. I think people here are really cool. They give you your space. They're chilled out.
If there was one thing you could change about the city, what would that be?
I'd like to have it more clean.
Do you have a lot of friends, Chandni?
I have a lot of friends, yeah. Thank
Yeah?
God for that.
What do you think your friends have to say about you?
What would they say about me? They love me for who I am, I hope.
So Chandni, tell us one thing that really ticks you off.
Traffic and pollution really bothers me.
If you had, let's say, an endless budget, what country are you going to travel to?
I think I'd love to go back to Europe.
How many languages can you speak?
Well, as of now, Hindi, English, a little bit of Punjabi and poco de Espanol.
Can you also do the salsa?
I can kind of do the salsa, but
Do you know how to make nachos?
no, I don't know how to make salsa.
Do you know how to make sangria?
I can make sangria.
Favorite color?
Red?
Are you wearing any?
Not right now.
Do you drink?
I drink on occasion.
What's your favorite cocktail?
I like whiskey, just single malt.
Have you been to Scotland?
I've been to Scotland.
Do you have a tip for young models?
Now there are so many avenues. It's the best to kind of go to people who are experienced in the field, like an agency or something that will guide you.
Two things that you always carry in your bag.
Mobile phone and lip balm.
Your least favorite person.
Narendra Modi. But
Yo.
don't say that on camera.
Why? It's okay. Your favorite person?
I don't know yet, you know.
Are you single right now?
Yes.
Do you want to be in a relationship?
Sure, why not?
What if the right guy is taking your video?
Then let's
Just-
do it.
let's do
Go
it.
on. Of course, BK. I don't think there'll be anyone better than you. Actually, I'm so flattered.
What is your catchphrase?
Live and let live, yeah.
What is one word that you use the most these days?
Fuck.
Favorite song?
I don't have a favorite, man. My music preferences keep changing with time.
Who is the hottest man according to you?
I like Johnny Depp,
Hottest woman?
Angelina Jolie.
Indian actresses? Who is the most stylish according to you?
I think Karishma Kapoor is very stylish.
So what's the wildest thing that you've ever done?
I think it was when I pretended to be a lesbian in front of this girl and she wasn't one, so she got really freaked out.
Are you a lesbian?
Not yet.
Thongs or boxers?
Neither.
What's your favorite designer brand?
Manish Arora takes the edge off.
Who is your least favorite Indian designer?
No comment.
Have you ever considered getting breast implants or Botox?
No, I wouldn't change anything about myself.
Favorite international designer?
Roberto Cavalli.
Do you think I could be a model?
Totally.
Where are you going?
Come, I'll take you to a nice place. We'll get some food.
Alright. Are you hungry already?
Are you not? Salud.
Salu. So what's the last thing you shopped for?
I bought you a lot of sangria.
What is the most expensive thing that you've ever bought?
Funding my trip to Spain.
Do you like spicy food?
I love it, but I can't handle it. Clearly.
So what have you ordered here?
Masala papad.
Spicy masala papad. Are you a singer?
Bathroom.
Can you sing us something?
No.
What are your thoughts on beef?
I think to kill anything is sad, but yeah, like at times we
But sometimes you need a burger, so.
may need a burger.
The most bizarre food that you've ever eaten.
Bheja.
Are you an animal lover?
Yeah.
Would you wear an animal? That kind of an animal lover?
You're mean.
Do you have secrets?
Yes.
Do you lie?
I don't lie unless it's only for somebody's good.
Where are you living right now, Chandni?
I'm staying in South Mumbai and it's beautiful, as you can see.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
I think in 10 years I would like to have my own restaurant.
And what would you call it?
Could be like Shani's bar. No, I'm just kidding.
What's the biggest cliche about models?
Living in Lokhandwala. That's mean, but I don't mean it.
What are you doing tonight?
Have a date.
With whom?
Secret lover.
What's your favorite perfume?
Flora by Gucci.
Are you a basic bitch? Do you like the country you live in?
I love India.
Name one Indian product you swear by.
Khadi. I don't know.
Guys, thank you so much for watching, and you can see our dirty dishes
Thank
behind
you.
us. But thank you so much for
Hope you
watching.
had as much fun as us while
Because
shooting.
we had a blast while
yeah,
shooting.
We did.
So I will see you in another fun episode.
See you later, amigo.
Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do not forget to comment to Megabytes. See you.
Ciao.
Bye.